Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to Maths class. We are in chapter 3, which are 3-digit numbers, and we are going to discuss number names in session 3. Let's go! Number names. We are going to learn how to write number names for 3-digit numbers. We have learnt in the previous sessions how to write a 3-digit number and what are the different places that they have, and we have even learned how to read a 3-digit number, right? Now, each number can be written in words also. We have learnt for 2-digit numbers in the previous classes. Let's do the same thing for 3-digit numbers. We are not learning all of them. I have picked around 6 of them between 101 and 200 and 201 to 300, like that. Randomly I have chosen some and I'll tell you the trick how to write the number name for that. Let's see. The first one, I told you how to read a number, right? So here I have separated with different colors. One which is in hundreds place will be read as 100 and 5858. Same way I have written in words here. So 158. So the next one is 177. So you know the number names of 2-digit numbers, 58, 77, 90, right? So just you need to add 100 to it, as there is 1 in the hundreds place. Very simple. So 177 and 190 is the third one. Let's see other three. 100. Again 1 is in the hundreds place, so 125. So the next one is 139. So that's how we write. 164. So 164. You have to be careful with the spellings. Okay. So let's see another set of numbers. We are going to do from 201 to 300. So these are the numbers here. Let's take a few of them between 200 and 300. 212. As 2 is in the hundreds place, how do we write? 200 and then 1, 2. The other 2 digits will be read as 2-digit number. That is 12. So 212, 220, 208. Be careful here. You are not going to write as 280. 08 is 8, not 8. Okay, so 208. So the next one, 2 is in the hundreds place again. 242, 263, 295. Isn't it simple? Number names. We are going to let's learn number names for another set of numbers. Now it is from 301 to 400. If you see the numbers here, there is 3 in the hundreds place, right? So we are going to start with 300. So we'll write with 300, 2424, 324. Coming to the next one, 3 in the hundreds, so 310. Next one, 300, 7777. So let's see next set of numbers. 353, 330, 300. Again it is 5, not 50. So nothing is there in the tens place. So we have to count it as 5. 305. Let's see next set of numbers. This time 401 to 500. So let's see the numbers here. 4 in the hundreds place now. So you have to see carefully what is there in the hundreds place, and 4 is here. So 441, 4141. 400, 3939. 400, 8686. Next set of numbers, 400, 17, 428, 460. Again, you have to be careful with the spellings. As we have learned some number names, children, here is a matching activity. So which we are going to do now. What is matching? You all know that, right? So there will be some questions given on one side and the answers are given the other side, but you have to match the correct one. Let's do it. We are not drawing lines to match as we have grown up now. So what do? For each A, B, C, D, E, F, we have to put the correct number here. Okay, let's do it. The first question, A, is 258. 258 is read as 258. So we have to find out the number name for that. So 200, where is 200? Yes, here is 200. 258. So 3 is the answer for A. So we'll put 3 there against A. Coming to the next one, 104. This is a number name. We need to find out the number for this. 100. So 1 is in the hundreds place. So 104, I got it here, which is the fourth one. So 104, that's right. Coming to the next one, 315. 315 is read as 300, 1515. 315. So let's see, where is 315? Yes, here I have got 3 over here and the number name completely says 315. So 1 is the answer for C. So we'll put 1 against C. 336. Sorry, 33. 333. Where is 333? Yes, 333 is 333. So we got the correct answer. That is 5. Coming to the next one, 496. So where is 400? 4 is in the hundreds place. So I got 1 here which says 4 is in the hundreds place. 496 and 496 both are same. So 6 is the answer for E. Coming to the last one, 270. 200, 2 in the hundreds place. Here I have 200 and 7070. 270. So 2 comes after against F. Answer for F. So this is how we do matching. Hope you understood this. Children, this is your textbook page, semester 1, page number 42. In exercise 7, you have some numbers and number names given. You need to write the number names for question number 1 and for question number 2 you need to write the numbers for the number names given. Once you finish this, you can check your answers in the next slide. That's it for today, dear children. Hope you understood how to write number names, and we have done matching, we have done practice also, right? So that's it for today. We'll continue in the next session more about 3-digit numbers. Until then, goodbye, take care.